welcome to Science with Anvi. So today we're going to do something very fun.
Yes, today we are going to do something very fun, very exciting, and something very new in there. So, Anvi, we have a nail today in here,
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
Can you do one thing? Can you put all these nails in here and put them on top like this?
No, look what's happening. I cannot even put one.
Oh
See?
no. Okay, we'll try today to make sure that how we can balance up all these nails.
On one nail on this edge.
Correct. So let's see how we can do this. Okay, so what we'll do today now, we will take all the nails.
Yeah.
We'll take one
Yeah.
and we'll put the nails like this. This side and this side.
This side and this side. Let me try one.
Yes,
So,
you do it as well.
I'll do like this,
Mhm.
and then like this. It's like that.
Yes, perfect.
It's like this.
Mhm. This, alright.
You're doing wrong.
No, you're doing correct.
Okay.
Then this one.
Yeah.
No problem.
It's a bit tricky to remember.
Yes, it's one on the left and one on the right.
It's a bit tricky, but this one.
Perfect. Then we'll take the final nail on top and we'll bring it
Look at the
here.
magic.
And we'll take on the opposite side. The head will be on the tail side. And we will hold like this.
Wow, look at that! Are you ready to see the magic? Whoa!
Voila!
How is that in the world happening? I've never... It looks like a little roof on a house, you know?
So Anvi,
Yes.
why do you think this whole structure is balancing up on the single nail head?
I have no idea.
Okay, let me explain quickly. Everything in this universe, including our earth, is pulling all the objects around us. That's why when we jump up, we always come down.
Like this.
Yes,
Because the earth is pulling us down, and that is called gravity.
correct. So, the gravity always tries, when the earth pulls any object, it always tries to put all the mass, all the weight into the center of that object. This is called the center of gravity. For example, a nail, a ruler, a stick, when it's been pulled down, the entire mass or the weight of that object centers around the midpoint of that stick or the ruler. This is called the center of gravity. The same thing happens in here. The entire structure, this size, when it goes up in there, the entire weight is being concentrated or centered in the main part, which you can see as the center of gravity. And when I put it on the nail head, it simply puts itself and balances it out. And that's why this entire structure, without having any welding, it is simply hanging on a single nail. And that's the beauty of science.
Yeah, it looks like more like a roof on a house actually.
Well, actually, yeah, that's right. So, do you like the experiment today?
Yes, I really like it. It's so much fun. And you can try all of this. All of the videos we make, try them please. And this is a lot about physics, this one actually.
Yes, and try this at home. Of course, with
With the
parents'
parents'
supervision.
Yeah.
Correct, with the parents' supervision.
And I hope you have a fantastic day trying this. And like and subscribe and comment down below and share. Comment down below that give us more ideas what experiment we should make, because we are still struggling with the stuff we should make, right?
Yeah, we have some plans to bring more ideas, more experiments in the future, but feel free to give us more ideas and we can bring those ideas into reality. So thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. Have a fantastic day.
Trying this experiment.
Yes, and please subscribe to our channel, Science with Anvi.
And have a
Great day. Bye-bye.
Bye.